Hi all, I'm going to share 4 tips for repairing an incidental durotomy. Number 1. Insert a self-adhesive collagen fleece as an inlay patch. The advantages are twofold. First, the cauda nerve roots are kept inside. Second, the pulsatile force of the CSF pushes the inlay patch against the dural tear. Number 2. Suture the dura or duraplasty with an 1:1 needle-to-thread ratio suture to prevent CSF seeping that can occur with conventional sutures. Number 3. Secure the suture with a self-adhesive collagen fleece as an outlay patch. The combination of an inlay and outlay patch is called the sandwich technique. Number 4. If there is a relevant epidural dead space, minimize it by dissecting a tension-free and pedicled flap of paravertebral muscle and swinging it medially to fill the empty space without pressure. Attach the remaining muscle to the midline structures. Thank you for your attention.